game doesn't make us nice.
We gave him time, didn't tell him twice. My message was clear and so concise. You got 30 seconds.
That should suffice.
Stay low.
Let's go.
You got 30 seconds.
Shell loaded.
Stealth mode.
You got 30 seconds.
Stay low.
Let's go.
You got 30 seconds.
Shell loaded.
Stealth mode.
You got 30 seconds.
Black versus green.
You know what I mean, fool? Later that night, high def, a little halo. Sniper on the loose, I know I gotta stay low. Busting out my sword, it's about to get hectic. See my teammate Jay and we start to dissect it. They call him Short Shot cause he's deadly with a weapon.
And you can call him Vandal or you best be steppin'.
Now let me bring you back to the task at hand.
Shooter's got his pen, let's devise a plan. You flank him left while I draw his fire.
Pink needles in his face, won't see us conspire.
Sneaking up behind
He thought he could stone me, went back to his head and he went down like Humpty. Humpty.
Humpty Dumpty, y'all.
Punks down, now it's your turn. I'll throw a frag.
It's my time to burn. Someone at the stake. I can't fake. Won't break. Gotta take. Stay awake. Motivate. And I'm not too late to take a sucker down with the garden rake. No wait. Hesitate.
It's time for him to translate.
Gotta wait. Crosshairs floating up over the horizon. Take a deep breath and I got my eyes on you. Like the neighborhood watch.
Top notch.
Can't stop till the body drop. Deep breath.
Take the shot.
Stay low.
Let's go.
Got it under control.
Shell loaded.
Stealth
Got it under control.
Stay low.
Let's go.
Under control.
Shell loaded.
Stealth mode.
Got it under control.
Gotta get together.
Cause we playing Halo.
Two sucker.
You know how we do.
Yeah. Call it a day. We're not quite done.
So far as I care, the night's just begun. Gotta make a run to the KFC. Cause I'm hungry for a leg like an amputee.
Yo, Craving Colonel's Honey Barbecue. Yeah, make it two.
Number one for me, make it extra crispy. Cholesterol is high, but I like it risky.
Don't be fooled or misunderstood.
Colonel's recipe is finger licking good.
It's no excuse.
Shouldn't take this long.
You got 30 seconds while we wrote this song. Stay low.
Let's go.
You got 30 seconds.
Shell loaded.
Stealth mode.
You got 30 seconds.
Stay low.
Let's go.
You got 30 seconds.
Shell loaded.
Stealth mode.
You got 30 seconds.